Attention all tech enthusiasts. Welcome to our exciting SQL tutorial series. I'm your host, Darkcode, and together we will embark on an incredible journey through the world of SQL. Get ready for an unforgettable experience. So what exactly is SQL? Well, SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's a powerful programming language, specifically designed to manage and manipulate data stored in relational database management systems, also known as RDBMS. Think of it like a library, where SQL helps you find, organize, and update books, which in this case are your valuable data, on the shelves, which are the tables in your database. Now let's delve into the purpose of SQL. It serves a wide range of functions, including creating and modifying database structures, inserting, updating, and deleting data, querying data for insights, and reporting and managing database security and access. SQL is absolutely essential in various industries such as finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and many more. Now let's explore the basic SQL syntax that will serve as your foundation in this amazing world of data manipulation. Firstly, we have the select statement, which allows you to retrieve data from a table. For example, you can use the following syntax. Select from customers, where customers is the name of the table. Next, we have the from statement, which specifies the table or tables to query. You can use multiple tables in a query, as shown in this example. Select from customers, orders, where customers and orders are the names of the tables. The where statement comes in handy when you want to filter data based on specific conditions. For instance, you can use this syntax. Select from customers, where country USA, which retrieves data from the customers table, where the country is USA. To group data based on one or more columns, you can use the group by statement. Here's an example. Select country AVG age. From customers, group by country, which groups customers by their country and calculates the average age. The having statement allows you to filter grouped data. For example, you can use the following syntax. Select country AVG age. From customers, group by country, having AVG age 30, to retrieve the country and average age of customers, where the average age is greater than 30. Lastly, the order by statement is used to sort data in either ascending or descending order. For instance, you can use this syntax. Select from customers, order by last name ASC, to retrieve data from the customers table and sort it in ascending order based on the last name. Congratulations, you've now learned the basics of SQL, its purpose, and the fundamental syntax you'll be using. So practice these concepts and get ready for our next video where we'll dive deeper into the exciting world of querying data. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest content. Happy coding, tech enthusiasts!